Hello, this is Eli at SafeNet talking about the last runtime or driver that we have for the LDK, where to find it. So what you do is we will go to www.safenet-inc.com, and we will go to support. And over here I have the ability to select the product. I will choose HASP, which is of course the older name of LDK. And over here I can see in most of the cases it will be the first one, Sentinel HASP or LDK, command line runtime installer. So here you can find always the latest one. Now it's 6.62 for Windows, but obviously over the time it will be changed, and there you are able to download always the latest one, which is always recommended from time to time to take the latest one. Thank you for watching.